a competition everybody's talking about. Well, I don't see anybody I can't body. I'm not cocky, I'm just confident. So stay woke and take notes. It's only top 3 and I'm taking first. I'm 17, I may be young, but I'm who you should be worried about. That's my reflection that appears when you look in the mirrors, talking about your fears. K1 TV's competition. You want my honest opinion about last season? This one's so whack, it got me saying 따르게. You haven't heard ya, I'm the youngest 혹은 mood artist. Man, like moody though, yeah, I could body any track. It better with me, it'd be sad to see you leaving in a body bag. You can't body somebody who bodies everybody. Looking for people who body me, no hope for you. 너가 있는 날에 I could take it all. I thought the rubber through my Shibu. I don't have a ghostwriter, I am the writer. I do that shit on my own, I'm self-made, I'm unoriginal. You can approach me, I'm untouchable. Matter of fact, I'm unbeatable. I don't need a whole team, I got me, that's all I need. Can't nobody fuck with me, this is my road, I'm in control. I don't need no hooks, I made this pretty and short. My name is Wes, but this is what I go by. Capital B, capital R, double E, add the Z, plus a Y, yes that's me, call me Breezy. Capital B, capital R, double E, add the Z, plus a Y, yes that's me, call me Breezy.